Effective home remedies for diabetes. Diabetes is a very common disease or disorder of metabolism. It is a complex group of diseases triggered by various causes. People with diabetes have high blood glucose, also known as high blood sugar or hyperglycemia. The digestive tract breaks down carbohydrates or sugar and starches found in many food into glucose, a form of sugar that enters the bloodstream. With the help of hormone insulin, the body absorbs glucose and utilizes it for production energy. Diabetes develops when the body is unable to produce enough insulin or use insulin effectively. Insulin is made in pancreas or an organ located behind the stomach. The pancreas contains a cluster of cells called islets. The beta cells within the islets make insulin and releases it to the blood. First, bitter gourd. Bitter gourds are one among the most effective ways of preventing sugar level fluctuations. Being a safe vegetable, these iron-rich gourds can be consumed by anyone. It influences the glucose metabolism in the body and helps stimulate the pancreatic insulin secretion. Not that far of insulin resistance, bitter gourd is equally beneficial for people suffering from type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Drink a glass of bitter gourd juice flavored with a little honey every morning to keep a diabetes away. Second, fenugreek seeds. These tiny brown seeds are powerhouses of fiber and other nutrients, all of which possesses the potential to improve glucose tolerance and lower blood sugar levels. The rich presence of fiber along with the hypoglycemia proteins make them the most effective sought after home remedies for diabetes. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in the hot water overnight and consume the following morning on an empty stomach for best results. You can also swallow a handful of them with milk each day. Follow this for a few days to stimulate the secretion of glucose dependent insulin. Third, Indian gooseberry. Rich in vitamin C, the Indian gooseberry promotes the proper functioning of the pancreas. Discard the seeds and grind amla into the fine paste. Strain the paste to extract the juice. Mix the 2 tablespoons of this juice into 1 cup of water and drink it up on an empty stomach to regulate your sugar levels. Fourth, mango leaves. Latest study indicates that the tender mango leaves possesses the ability to improve blood lipid profiles while regulating insulin levels in the body. Dry the leaves of the plants and grind it to the powdered form. Drink half of a teaspoon of this powder with warm water and every morning on an empty stomach to cure the rising sugar level. Fifth, curry leaves. An Indian kitchen staple consumption of these leaves is plentiful amount can also have diabetes. Chew 10 to 12 fresh cleaned curry leaves every day for better results. These leaves are known to lower the rate of the starch breakdown, thus aiding in keeping the blood sugar at hormonal levels. It also lowers the cholesterol and helps in losing weight.
Thanks for watching.